Sometimes I just sit and I think to myself that I have such awesome friends. Yes. Oh, almost forgot to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Okay, back to the episode. Bye. Hello, you guys, and welcome to the fifth episode of Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I am your host, Ayushi Amrute, and today we have this beautiful, smart, and an intellectual woman who is a digital marketer and an actor. Now, she is also known as Alia from Tera Kya Hoga Alia. Please welcome Anusha Mishra.
आलिया के लिए तालियां.
Wow. On this note, Anusha, welcome to my show. Thank you so much for coming in. It's been such a long time since we've talked to each other. Like,
Yeah, thank you for
yeah.
inviting me. I'm seeing you after 4 years. We're literally talking after 4 years.
I know, right?
But it
So
happened.
much has happened since then, and I have so much to talk to you about. Anusha, tell me, how is it working during lockdown? Like, how different it is. Things are so like they've drastically changed, and like, is it how you're feeling in your work environment as well? How does it feel?
Uh, at this point, we've been shooting for more than a month now. We started around July, mid-July sometime. No, yes, 1st of July we started shooting. And I am horrible with memory, so I
We
would
will
just like
get
to
to
get that
that
out of the way
later.
already.
Yeah, we will get to that later. Yes.
So we started off and we started off in a green zone, Vasai. We started shooting there. And so there was already one layer of security ki chalo, we're not shooting in a red zone right now or anything that's,
Yeah.
a contamination zone. But there's constant paranoia. There was constant paranoia. Now it's sort of settling in and just like, acha, iske saath jeena hai, kaam karna hai, and everything's just going to be like this. So everybody
Yeah.
has to wear a mask around us. And it's even more difficult because the actors, everyone's got makeup on, everyone's got their hair done. So constantly आप mask पहनते हो तो वो खराब हो जाता है.
Oh
So we
god.
have to ensure that we put on a shield every time we leave the room. And the makeup artists, the hairstylists, everyone from the light dada to director sir is wearing a mask constantly. And I'm constantly hounding them. और मैं सब पे चिल्लाती रहती हूँ, which is just my favorite part of the day. It's not, I'm joking.
Eh,
But
but yeah, like, do you not feel scared when someone just, even if they're not positive, but they like sneeze around you? Do you feel like, shit, what just happened? Like, did that happen around me?
yes,
Like,
yes. And it's especially more risky when one of your co-actors is doing it. Just like, please मुझसे दूर रहो, इसको sanitizer दो. I'm very afraid. This one time, dude, we were coming back from shoot and our driver sir was normally driving. So sanitizer उनके left में और पानी की bottle भी वही. उन्होंने sanitizer पी लिया. पानी समझ के.
what?
Not ज़्यादा, but थोड़ू सा. And he was just like, and I was like, stop the car, what are you doing? And he wanted to continue driving. And I was like,
What are
भैया,
you
please इसे
saying?
मत करो. Yeah. So that's how crazy everything is. People who are inside their houses and are safer than us, please घर पे रहो यार. घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना, मत निकलो. Take it from the people who are actually working right now.
Yeah. I mean, you're legit working for us to stay home and enjoy your show so that we don't have to step out.
Yeah. Hashtag plugin. Hashtag तेरा क्या होगा आलिया. Monday to Friday 7 p.m. only on Sony Sub.
See, this is what I'm talking about. You being a marketer, like, I know, I mean, once we graduated, of course, by now you guys know that I was a mass media student. So, and so was Anusha, and we were classmates. And I remember, like, you after the college, we were graduated. You were, working as a content writer. Then you switched to creative supervisor. Then you're like a digital marketer. And suddenly I see this show ka promo on Sub TV, and I know this girl. Wait, I was like, that's Anusha. What is Anusha doing? And I see Tera Kya Hoga Ali. And I'm like, dude, as an actor, this is your first role ever, and you land the freaking lead ka role. I mean, ये कोई खाने
I
की
still
बात है
can't
क्या?
believe it.
Yeah, so when did all of this happen?
Uh, okay. So I got into Tonic Worldwide around November 2016, the same year that we graduated. End of that year, I joined Tonic Worldwide and I worked
Yeah.
on English channels. So वहाँ पे video scripts we had to write. So those video scripts slowly went from cutting movie and show clips to actually being in them. And
Ooh.
then Praveen Singh, he heads the video department at Tonic Worldwide. So in the past, I mean, between 2018 and 2019, I was his assistant director for most of the shoots that we were working on. And Sub TV was actually my brand. I mean, I was
Yes.
handling Sub TV as a brand. So we launched Aladdin. And when Aladdin का season 2 आ रहा था, उसके launch videos में एक video में मैं थी. And from 2018 to 19, from actually 2016 to 19, I had gained a lot of weight, as you can see, as I have mentioned before. So the OAP team, which is the programming team of Sub TV, they noticed me. I like, अच्छा बंदी थोड़ी मोटी हो गई है, hefty हो गई है, and we have a role coming up. And they had been auditioning like Delhi, Punjab, everywhere. And I don't want to toot my own horn, but they kind of weren't able to find anyone. And so, I mean, there were a lot of candidates, obviously, but then somehow they were like, अरे इसको भी बोल देते audition करने को, क्या हो जाएगा, नहीं होगी ना, ठीक है. And I auditioned, and then within a week they said you've got the part.
Wow.
The next week I had to quit my job, and it was exactly that was my face the entire time. So that's one way of how I got it. The another one is the creator of our show, Dharampal sir. He was pitching this show, और मैं सोनी ऑफिस में ही बैठी रहती थी because हमारी meetings होती थी वहां दिन भर. So his version, he saw me and he was like, इसको बोलो audition करने. And then this whole thing happened.
It's almost like an actor's dream for the director to kind of spot you, and then be like, that's the fit, that's what we want. And that's what happened with you. I mean, your life just zoop zap zoop, it just changed out of nowhere. This
Okay.
brings us to our first game of the show.
Okay.
It's called Situating. It's situation and singing. Situating.
No.
For those who don't know, Anusha is this beautiful singer, and I absolutely love your voice. And I was like, we have to do this. Okay, now the thing is that I will give you two bowls, and there'll be two sets of chips. Okay, first
Okay.
one is songs.
Songs.
Okay,
Okay.
and the second one is situations.
Okay.
Okay, so what you have to
Okay.
do is first you have to pick a song. Okay,
Okay.
then you have to sing that song keeping the situation in mind. All right, pick a song from 1 to 5.
3.
Now pick a situation.
Oh my god.
1 to 5 it is.
Okay, fine. 3. Why not?
3 again. Let's.
This is so exciting. Okay.
I know, right? Okay. The song is Hello by Adele.
I love you.
I know.
But the situation is
This, I am going to love this game so much. Your situation is watching people roam around the world on Instagram while you can't even get out of the house.
It's the perfect song for the perfect situation.
I know, right? And whenever you're ready.
Hello from the other side. I must have scrolled 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry that I can't leave my house. And if I call you now, I forgot the words. Shit, that was going so well. But you got the thing. Yay! Talia for Alia.
Yeah, this was so nice. That nice plug-in of scrolling was also great. Good job,
Thank you.
my friend. You deserve Talia. We are doing this again.
Okay,
Okay.
just pick anything. Dealer's choice.
I'm going with 5. I don't know why. I'm
Okay.
going with 5.
Okay. Third Mambo number 5. Wait.
Your song is not Mambo number 5. It is "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil."
Yes! I love that song. Oh no,
Your
what did you do?
situation goes really well with the song. Your situation is arguing with rickshawala.
Okay, you are my rickshaw wala.
Okay. मैडम नहीं जाएंगे.
तू सफर मेरा है तू ही मेरी मंजिल तेरे बिना गुजारा है दिल है मुश्किल मेरा आसमान ढूंढे तेरी राइड मेरी हर कमी को है तू lazmi. I can't find the words. Lazmi. जुनून है मेरा बनूं मैं तेरे काबिल तेरे बिना ट्रैवल ए रिक्शा वाला है मुश्किल. That was bad. That was so bad.
That was so nice. Good job, Anusha. You need to clap for yourself for this one. I have
Thanks.
now proved that you're also an amazing singer. So yes, good job.
Thanks. But that game was freaking amazing. For you.
Thank you. What is up with your Instagram username? Like, why does it say Anusha Ape Child? What
Thank
is
you
that?
for at least pronouncing it right. Thank you for getting it.
Listen,
because
I had to
half
read
the
it
deals-
twice. I had to read it twice together. It's like Anusha Pay Child.
Yeah, that's the one that everybody thinks it is.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, मेरे नाम में 2 ही A हैं, एक start में, एक end में. End में 2 नहीं है, 2 ही हैं. So everybody gets very like, Anusha Pay Child? कौन सा child है तुम पे? And I'm like, can you all just educate yourselves, please?
Oh God.
ऐसा मैं कहती नहीं, ऐसा मैं कहती हूँ, it's Anusha Ape Child, guys. क्या तुम भी?
Well, now you
So-
know whoever's watching, and you've asked this question to her. Now you know. Yes.
Yes, it's Anusha Ape Child. I don't know why it is. It's actually inspired from a meme, which is
Wow.
What is Life? 2013, we had this WhatsApp. I had recently gotten internet on my phone because that was a privilege.
Yes.
Now
it
it's just
was.
like पास internet होता है. But तभी नया नया आया था, and I did not know what memes were, and all my friends knew, and so they were sending like a lot of things. One of the memes was, it was like a comparison: other girls dancing, me dancing. Other girls dancing was like, oh, fabulous, my booty shaking and stuff like that. The second one was me dancing, and it was like weird ape child something something, and I was like, I love it. So when I had to pick a username 2 years later, I was like, you know what, this works. And it just, because I'm very like weird and like, so ape child. There's no deeper meaning. If anybody is like, ये बंदर की बच्ची है सच में?
Wow. Okay. So I know that, like you mentioned earlier, I know that you have this I don't know, bad memory issue, and then you can't even remember what you had for breakfast in the morning. How do you manage to kind of memorize all the lines? Because that's what an actor's job is, mainly to kind of memorize all the lines. So, क्या trick है तुम्हारा? Please let me know.
So, one of the YouTubers that I followed for a very long time, ever since college, is Lily Singh. So when she has this blog channel as well. So whenever she auditioned, she had this trick. If you memorize everything, then you can play with it how you wish. Like you can do it in different emotions and so on and so forth. And when I tried that a bunch of times, it really worked for me. So मैं पूरा
Oh.
रट लेती हूँ. तो मुझे पूरा एपिसोड रट जाता है कभी कभी. कभी कभी एक लाइन नहीं रट पाती मैं. It's just, I think, like that. I was, in fact, an hour ago, I was talking to my mom about this. We were watching our show, and she's like, कि तुमको क्या अभी क्या मैंने बोला ये तो याद नहीं रहता. I was telling her something that happened on set, and I zoned out. I also have ADHD, so I have this very bad habit of like
Zoning out.
forgetting. मतलब अभी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, and then I'll be like, क्या बात कर रही थी मैं? ये मैंने मम्मी के साथ बात करते हुए 5 बार किया. And then she asked, तुम्हारी lines कैसे याद होती हैं तुम्हें? मैंने बोला मम्मी. So I'll enact it for you. If the
Yes,
line is वही जो मैंने पहले बोला था कि अरे क्या तुम्हें सिंपल सी बात समझ नहीं आती और उसके आगे और भी है. So I'll just pause there. I used to do this in the beginning. I should just pause there and just be like, hmm. And somebody would tell me what the next line is. I would literally just pause. Like if this is my last position, I'll stay right here. I'll make noises which will make everybody laugh. But I will stay right here. And then somebody will give me the next line. Legit. So now I'm just like, sir, मुझे line नहीं याद, 2 minutes. So I'll do it multiple times and then basically memorize it and then say it. So difficult.
I mean, I think it's a good thing for you to, being able to like work in front of the camera and also having the experience to be behind the scenes. Like you
Definitely.
know, like if you had to pause there, you knew that was for a reason, so that the cut shot could be smooth enough
Exactly.
later. But yeah,
Yeah.
see.
Plus जब हम वीडियो एडिट करते हैं, मतलब करते थे, तो I could see like अभी कप यहाँ रखा है, अगले शॉट में हाथ यहाँ है, तो मतलब कंटिन्यूटी कहाँ है? नहीं है. So I'm a stickler for that.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. I'm sure they're benefiting from you being there as the lead, because even you are constantly thinking about these things. You're not just like letting it go like "Ye mera kaam nahi hai." It's just the team's work to notice all the
Yeah.
business.
I don't
You're
get
like,
that. I don't get when I hear about like हमारे set पे ऐसा नहीं होता. But when I hear about like actor tantrums and like ये मेरा काम नहीं है, मैं ये क्यों करूँ? I'm just like, there's such a thing as taking up. I forgot the word for it, but I had a really good word for it. See, memory issues. But like, just doing something because you can, and not because ये मेरा काम नहीं है.
yeah.
That whole demarcation really f's things up, and I don't like it.
Okay, this brings us to the second game of the show. It's called "Speak About This for a Minute."
Okay,
Very simple.
I will attempt.
Very simple. I have 8 chits in this bowl, and these are your topics. You pick a topic from 1 to 8.
मेरे को इससे school elocution का feel आ रहा है, babe.
That is exactly what it is, but just with weird ass topics. That's it. Okay, so you.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so you speak.
I completely trust you. When you say weird ass, I believe you.
It is weird, yeah, it is. Pick a chit. Oops.
Let's go for you dropped one.
Yeah.
It's okay. Number 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. Your topic is I hate it when this happens to me. It's stubbed toe. Ouch.
I'm gonna paint you guys a picture. Are you ready?
All right. Yes, I'm. Are you ready? All right.
Yeah,
Your
ready.
time starts now. Go.
Okay. You are in the kitchen carrying your must khane ka plate. Maybe it's hakka noodles, maybe it's a little chili paneer, or maybe it's dum aloo with dal chawal. You don't know. You're taking it. You're walking to your room. You struggle with opening the door because एक हाथ में बाटली है, एक हाथ में एक plate. You open the door. You enter your AC वाला room because AC तो चाहिए life में दिन भर काम करने के बाद है ना. You enter. I would show you the bed, but that's against the rules. Never mind. So you walk, you walk, you walk. You put the stuff down carefully. You turn back around to go get something else, and bloody hell, your pinky toe or any toe gets caught in the damn bloody bed that you have been getting stuck in for 15 years.
3, 2, 1.
And it's just fuck all. Ending it on the words fuck all. Because then, I'm going to continue. Then you can't enjoy the AC, the food, the drink. Nothing matters because your toe is stubbed and fucked. And so are you, and so is your mood, and nothing will fix it, not even pizza. I'm done.
Oh, Preet, well said. You did amazingly well. I felt every word of
Thank you
pain
so much.
that came out of your mouth. So, good job.
I
I'm
pray you
proud of
never feel that stub toe wala pain. I pray you and none of your viewers will ever experience that pain.
Oh man, good job, Anusha. You did really well. I'm proud of you. Sadly, this brings us to the end of episode number 5. Anusha, thank you so much for being on the show.
सीटी अभी बजनी थी. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for being so cool, for looking so freaking hot for this one-on-one date. I'm gonna consider this a date because we've talked about a lot of weird stuff.
Done.
Okay, so
Done.
please watch Dimples Out, watch our episode, watch all the episodes, like, share, subscribe, and go follow Ayushi Amrute on her Instagram as well. So just प्रचार करना जरूरी है.
Please go watch Anusha on Tera Kya Hoga Alia on Sub TV. It is a really cute, it's a really sweet show, and I'm sure you would love her.
Also, last thing, I am 24 years old. I'm not 29 or 30. I'm 24. Continue. I'm done.
If you have any messages for me or Anusha, drop it down in the comment section below and I will get back to you. And if you have any suggestions for my next guest, drop it down. Thank you so much for watching the 5th episode. This is Ayushi, your host, signing off. See you next Saturday. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye.